Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect Make.com to Facebook Messenger. In this walkthrough, we'll go step by step through the basic process of setting up a Facebook Messenger connection inside Make. If you're new to Make, don't worry. This process is quite straightforward, and once you know where to click, it becomes much easier to repeat for future automations. To begin, open Make and go to your dashboard. This is the main workspace where you can create and manage your automations, called Scenarios. If you're not already signed in, make sure you're logged into the correct account before continuing so everything saves properly in the right place. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the top right corner and click Create Scenario. This opens a new scenario canvas where you'll choose the app you want to work with and define what action it should perform. Think of this as the starting point for building your Messenger automation. Next, use the search area and type in Facebook Messenger. This helps Make quickly filter the available apps so you can find the correct one without scrolling through a long list of integrations. As you type, watch for the matching result to appear. When Facebook Messenger shows up in the search results, click on it. This selects the app and moves you into the setup stage, where you'll define what you want this module to do. Be sure you choose the correct app name so your scenario uses the right service. After that, select a sample action. This is where you tell Make what kind of Facebook Messenger task you want this scenario to perform. Depending on your setup, the available actions may vary, but for this guide, simply choose the sample action shown on screen and continue. Next, select a sample connection. This step links Make to your Facebook Messenger setup so the platform can access the account or page needed for the automation. If a connection already exists, you may be able to choose it from the list. If not, you may need to authorize access before moving forward. Take a moment here to confirm you're selecting the intended connection, especially if you manage more than one page or workspace. Once that's done, click Save. This stores your configuration and confirms that the Facebook Messenger module has been added to your scenario. And that's it. You've completed the basic connection process between Make.com and Facebook Messenger. From here, you can continue building out the rest of your scenario as needed.